Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. So today, as per the title, I want to talk about something that's very passionate to me, like seriously passionate to me. So today in the news, I saw where this young lady was killed. And I'm not going to tell you by who yet. I'm just going to go ahead and play the clip, and then we're going to come back. We're going to have a discussion about this. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, if you're watching this video, just go ahead and subscribe. Even if you're not subscribed, let's talk about it, because I really need to know if I am the only one who thinks that this should not happen. So let me go ahead and play the clip, and then I'll come back and then we can talk about it.
Orange County Sheriff's Office spent much of Saturday at Arden Villa's apartment complex, less than a mile from UCF campus, searching in, outside, and around the building, and even blocking off a section of the parking lot. The apartment complex is where Mia Marcano was last seen and heard from at around 5 p.m. Friday. Her family arrived from Fort Lauderdale to talk to detectives, anxiously waiting and hoping for Marcano to return home safely.
It's kind of scary. Like, you always hear about missing people, but you don't expect it to be anything close.
This afternoon, Orange County Sheriff John Mina revealing that he had a suspect, the maintenance man at the apartment complex, 27-year-old Armando Caballero, who apparently was infatuated with Marcano, but she repeatedly had rejected him. Now, the sheriff says Caballero used a master key to get into her apartment and wait for her to come home. What happened to Mia is still unknown.
Okay, guys, so the maintenance man was the one who killed the people, them child. Now, can you imagine you're waiting at the airport for your daughter to come home, and she no come home? You have to take the plane and go see what I want. When you get there, you hear say the what do you call those people? You know, like you have a property and you don't want to be bothered with it no more, because first of all, you know we no love parent, so we're not pay rent on time, so you don't want to be bothered. So you hire a management company, and they have a maintenance group of people. So the guy who did it was the maintenance guy. So what he did is he got the keys for the young lady's apartment, and he went in before she get home and raped and killed her in her place. Now, can somebody, anybody, explain to me, why does a management company need to have a key from my apartment? Why do you need to be in my apartment? Explain that to me. I didn't hear you, because it doesn't make sense. Why do you need the key to my apartment? Okay, you said you need it for what? An emergency? You need it for in case of an emergency? Okay, let's break this down. Let's say there's a fire. What can you as the management company do? You don't live on my building. So why do you need the key? Are you going to get here before the fire department? Okay, I thought so. Are you going to come and put out a fire? Why do you need my keys? Why? I don't know you. You're not Jesus. You never born with earring in your hand, Miguel. So why, especially in these times, why do you need to have a key to my apartment? Explain it to me. When you purchase your home and Bank of America is the loan officer, does Bank of America have a key for your house? So why do you think you have the need to have a key for my house? Because in case of an emergency. What kind of emergency? What? For you to come in my place? Listen, I was living at a place, I'm not gonna say where or who management is, and I was in my living room sitting down, and I heard my door open, but I don't know what it was. I had put that security lock on for some reason. I don't know why, and I heard the grill open. I'm like, what? And then I hear the door opening. But when they pushed the door open, the security lock was on, so they just pulled the door back up and locked back the grill. When I went to the door and look who it was a part of management. I'm not gonna say who they are, but it was a part of management coming in to my apartment. So that is why it is so passionate to me. Can you imagine if I never have that? That would be the first case that I would have caught, because I would beat her up. I would beat her, and I'm not a fighter, but I'm a fighter. Come on, I say, girl, what you doing on my place? Why you coming here? Don't do it. And I report it to them peoples, and you know. But anyway, let's not talk about that. Let's talk about the young lady. She's a student. She's about 18, 19. The girl is dead because the people they hire and have keys for the people's apartment take the key and go in at the people them house. That should be a law. No management company not supposed to have no key for nobody else, because everybody are human, and I don't know who you are. I don't know. Me don't know nothing about you. We didn't grow up down the street. So just in case of anything, I know where to find you. No, I don't know you. Who are you? Why do you need to have a key for my place? I don't know who you and your friends are. I don't know what you guys are in the street doing. During the day, you say you're a management company. I don't know who you are at night. Why you need to have a key to my place? If there's a fire, trust me, the fire department is gonna come. And if there's an emergency, ll3d is gonna come. Why do you need to give total strangers access to people's home? That's not right. And I wish there could be a law that stopped that from happening. Because some of these people who say they're a management company, I'm not gonna say nothing, but we all smart. Some of these people, you see what happened to that girl? She's not coming back. Her parents not gonna see her anymore because of somebody management company. You have a key to my home. So when you have a key to my home, who have your key? Answer the question, guys. Thank you for watching. Let's comment down below and tell me what you think about this. Do you really think that management companies should have keys to people's home?